There is no way I'm tossing this up in the air. Hey everyone, I'm wygowarrior, aka Julie. Welcome to my channel. So I have what looks like the world's largest Bed Bath & Beyond haul. It is not, just the items I picked up are quite large. Okay, maybe I bought a few too many items, but this one weighs so much. They were having a 40% off sale on, was it Black Friday, Cyber Monday, somewhere on that weekend. And my soap is starting to run out. So you know what? Time to do a haul. So to me that says take advantage of the big sale and stock up. All right, let me not make you listen to that noise, and then I'll share with you what I picked up. I should also mention that some of the items I purchased are going to be gifts for the holiday. All right, well, we had one box that literally had one item in it. I guess it didn't fit in this other box. So let's start with this guy. And is it what I think it is? Sort of. It's a different scent. So you're going to see several boxes this size. They were having their foaming hand soap refills at 40% off. I love a foaming hand soap. I already own so many of those little containers. You get a much better deal getting a refill because this accounts for 3 of the bottles. And I want to say this was like $8 when it was on sale. So yes, great deal. So this one here is the Gentle and Clean Foaming Hand Soap Refill. This one is in the scent Kitchen Mandarin. I love citrusy types of scents, and they work really well in the kitchen and even in a bathroom. All right, time for the box that weighed so much. It was impossible to toss up. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna save those to the end. Let's get through all of the hand soaps. All right, we have another foaming soap refill, and this one's in the scent Champagne Toast. I find that this scent works great in like a guest bathroom, the bathroom in the primary bedroom, basically anywhere. But personally, this is not the best scent for me in the kitchen when I'm doing dishes, or I don't know. I have a different soap to do my dishes, but when I cook, I'm constantly washing my hands, and I don't want it to smell like champagne toast. So the next scent is my go-to, an absolute favorite. Why is that already open? This one here, Kitchen Lemon. Kitchen is in the name. No, this lemon is a nice lemon. Some soaps and other products that are lemon scented will have that artificial fake, I'm sure this is an artificial fake scent, but they will smell like lemon joy. This smells like lemon without smelling like lemon joy. You know what I mean? So I really enjoy it. I'm glad it was on sale, and I'm glad I picked up a second one. So I picked up 4 soap refills. Hopefully that gets me through until next year. And that was it as far as soap goes. But a splurge because of the sale. I am not a huge candle person, but 'tis the season and 'tis the sale. So, and also I had to hit, was it $50 to get free shipping? And I do not like paying for shipping and handling at all. I will do girl math in my head, spend more money on products in order to get free shipping. I don't know what the psychology of that is, but I have that syndrome. And why can't I get this out of the box? I don't want to rip the box because this may be a gift. And by gift, I'm going to give it to my husband. That way I can enjoy it as well. Yeah, he likes lighting candles more than I do, but I like him to smell like what I enjoy. Sometimes men can pick weird scents. Come on. Okay, there we go. Whew. That was a struggle. So this is in the scent Sugar Snickerdoodle. It's really hard to pick a candle set online. because they all sound fantastic. But when you smell them, so let's find out. It's yummy, but I don't know that, well, it needs to be lit. I was going to say, I don't know that it's actual Snickerdoodle, but it has that classic burnt sugar, vanilla, warm, I don't know. When I think of a sugar candle, this is the scent that comes to mind. All right, next is another, oh, well, that one just plopped right out. This one is super cute. The packaging, it has, you know, like holiday things on there. It has like a to from sticker. That's adorable. All right, what scent are you? Yes, I ordered them, but that was a week and a half ago. I can't remember. Oh, I found it finally. And I don't even need my little friend. This is in the scent Cookie Butter Truffle. Doesn't that sound delicious? It's very subtle. And it's not like I don't like it, but definitely Snickerdoodle is stronger and I enjoy the scent more than this one. Therefore, perfect to give to my husband. Oh, I kid. I can't believe this normally retails for $16.95. That seems tiny for that price. But I'm not a candle connoisseur, so what do I know? Other than I would never spend that much money on a candle. But when something's on sale, you bet. All right, this is the one that hopefully smells like how they described it, because this should be my favorite scent. This is a 3-wick candle, and what do you retail for? $26.95. All right, you are in the scent Sunny Coconut. Do you smell like sunny coconut? Okay, so yeah, this has notes of creamy coconut, sunny palm trees, and warm vanilla. So yes, I love tropical scents. Like when I buy that powdery stuff that you sprinkle on your carpet before you vacuum, I always get the Hawaiian scent. When I get those little room sprays, other than the ones from the Dollar Tree, when I pay full price, my favorite scent is the Hawaiian scent. So I really hope when this is lit, it smells like Hawaiian scents. But now I want to hear from you. Did you do a haul on Black Friday or Cyber Monday when Bath & Body Works was having big sales? Did I pull the trigger too soon? And is the better sale the one that's in January after Christmas? I don't know. But it's too late now. These items are way too heavy to ship back. All right. I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a big favor, clicking on the thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow, as does swiping the hype button if you happen to be watching on your phone. All right. Thanks, everyone.